Hey, yo. So you've dated Cash Doll, Meg, Jada Kingdom. You got some your resume? But I gotta ask, is Partisan Fontaine single or not?
Right now?
Right now.
Yeah, right now I'm single. Yeah, I'm single.
You fake single? Like, are you real single? Like, you ain't fucking nothing, or you celibate?
Bro, I'm on the water, you know what I'm saying? I'm focused on the man in the mirror, you know what I'm saying? I'm just, taking it easy.
Yo, you popped out with Jada Kingdom for like 5 days.
You said for 5 days?
What happened with that?
You said for 5 days?
Yeah, you and Jada had, might have been less. Bro. That shit came and it went. What happened with y'all?
That's not true.
So what's the story with that?
That's not true. It's not true. It was just, and to both of us, for both of our mental, it was just like,